Hi, I'm Craig Dale, Chief Executive of the UK and Ireland SAP User Group. The COVID pandemic has affected us all in many different ways. I hope you and your loved ones have managed to stay safe and well through these times. Over the past few months, we've been delivering an enhanced webinar programme for our members, covering a whole host of topics, focusing on SAP. On top of that, we've also been delivering some wellbeing and positive mental health sessions, which I hope you've had the opportunity to participate in, to help you remain positive through these challenging times. As I mentioned in my last video, we're currently developing 2 white papers, one looking at taking the SAP High Road to 2027, and the other looking at the state of the skills within the SAP marketplace. Both of these white papers will be delivered in the coming months, and we're going to be running 2 specific events focusing on each of those white papers for you to get involved in and understand what we found through our research on those papers. Those events will be delivered under our digital showcase. We've recently launched a digital showcase which encompasses 20 online events running from September through to December of this year. They will cover a vast array of topics in the SAP ecosystem, from partners, from SAP, and from customer speakers alike. If you are a member of the user group and would like to speak at one of these events, we're also offering free online speaker training to help you deliver your content and also prepare your content for online delivery at those events. So please do get in touch if you're interested in that. Also under that, we've got 3 specific symposiums running. One looking at analytics, one looking at data, and one looking at digital insights. They will be running in September, October, and December respectively. To help you continue with your professional development through these times, those symposiums will also be eligible for you to collect your CPD points. If you want to check the website events calendar, all of the digital showcase events are in blue to allow you to identify them. To coincide with this, for anyone who's looking to join the user group for the first time, we've also launched a new short-term 4-month membership, which encompasses the digital showcase. So this is a special offer for anyone looking to take out new membership with the user group, and will cover you from September until the end of December of this year, so that you can take advantage of all of the content we're delivering in the digital showcase events. I do hope that you're able to join some of the events that we're running until the end of the year and that you get real value from them. So please stay safe, stay well, and keep washing your hands. Thank you.